In this video guide, I will give you recommendations on how to block pop-ups that coming from the site mylivevideos.com. There may be the multitude of such pop-up alerts attacking your screen periodically. And mainly this trouble occurs with Google Chrome, even though other browsers may be infected too. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to force you into clicking on this allow button integrated into the pop-up. So if you have mistakenly agreed with this misleading proposal and click on that allow button, your browser gets immediately hijacked. As you see, the pop-up indicates that you need to press allow to watch the video, but some people who have mistakenly done that, they soon realize that there was no any video here. They were simply forwarded to some other questionable content.
Sweetie, please click on the blue allow button.
And now, as you can clearly see, there is a special video and audio voice that says you need to click on that allow button. In reality, clicking on allow immediately hijacks your browser and you start getting a lot of ads popping up in the right bottom part of your screen. To block these ads, go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to the Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and go to the bottom of the page to delete any junk sites that you find here. So after all these malicious websites are removed, especially from the allow area, the problem should be fixed. After that, I also recommend you to carefully research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner. You may go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, and then carefully research your device to be convinced that it is free of any other hidden threats.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed the Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are three scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you will only be able to activate these two important features, these two important security mechanisms, with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and our important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats. And you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.